Today we're going to dive into how much protein do you need daily? Having enough protein in your daily diet is absolutely essential, and chances are you're not getting enough. We don't get enough protein, we are missing out on building and repairing muscles, having more energy, making and supporting our hormones and enzymes, and don't forget this big one. Having enough protein is important for weight loss. We're going to dive into why protein is essential for your healthy body, what's the right kind of protein, and a simple way to get protein in your diet every day. I'm Lynn. My goal is to empower moms and find affordable natural solutions for their family's health and home life without the worry of toxins, expensive drugs with those yucky side effects. While raising 6 kids of my own, I found that caring for my family naturally with essential oils and other natural products are not only safe, but extremely effective. I'm passionate about uplifting families to help daily natural solutions for mind, heart, and body. If you're looking for ways to care for your family the all-natural way, I've made a quick guide for you to get immediate answers with natural solutions and essential oils for your family's healthy body, mind, and mood. Click on the link and download this free guide today. Let's dive into why protein is essential for your health and how much you need. It's important to get enough protein each day because protein cannot be stored in our body. Proteins are made up of chemical building blocks called amino acids. These amino acids in protein support tissue repair and growth. There are 20 different amino acids in protein. 9 of them are considered essential. The body cannot produce these 9 amino acids, so we get our supply of them from our diet. After water, proteins are the largest component of the human body. So that means protein is absolutely essential. Because our bodies can't store protein, it brings up a couple of issues. First, we need to be planning in protein in our diets every day. Second, most of us are not getting enough protein. When we get the right amount of proteins with exercise, we will be building muscle and having increased energy. So how much protein do we need? Protein needs to be actually determined by your size and your activity level. The average person needs 0.36 grams of protein per pound of body weight. So if you weigh 150 pounds, you'll get enough protein with about 55 grams per day. Although age is a huge contributing factor. Once you reach the age between 40 and 50, you start to lose muscle mass as you age. I know we all want to maintain independence and quality of life. So if you're over 40, your protein needs to increase by about 0.8 to 0.5 grams per pound, or about 75 to 90 grams per day. For a 150-pound person, that's a pretty significant increase. You'll need to pay attention even more as your protein intake as you age. So you're going to bring that up. So let's talk about what kinds of protein you need to eat, because it matters. Meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and whey, and dairy are complete. Vegetarian sources of protein include beans, nuts, seeds, and grains are incomplete sources. So they're missing one or more of those essential amino acids and may not offer them to the amount that your body needs. What time of day is the best time to eat protein? The Mayo Clinic suggests you want to spread out protein consumption evenly throughout the day. On average, people tend to get most of their protein during the evening meals and the least at breakfast. Some newer studies show moving some protein from supper to breakfast can help with weight management by decreasing hunger and cravings throughout the day. Another great tip about when to consume protein is right after exercising. I like to add it in as soon as I can after a workout because I know how beneficial it is to help muscle recovery and muscle growth. So where does a protein-rich diet come into play when it comes to weight loss? I want to focus on 4 benefits by adding enough protein if you're looking at shedding some extra pounds. The first one is it helps build muscle, and muscle is more metabolically active than fat, so having more muscle can boost your metabolism. Second, it can boost the amount of calories you burn. Building lean muscle mass can affect your resting metabolic rate, which can help you burn more calories. So essentially this means when you have more muscle mass, we can burn calories while we're resting or watching your favorite Netflix series, right? Bonus. Number 3, it helps with hormone regulation. Amino acids are also building blocks for several hormones such as thyroid hormones and insulin. It also plays a role in regulating reproductive hormone levels. And all of these hormones play a role in your weight regulation. When these hormone levels drop, you are more likely to hang on to that extra weight. Number 4, protein can help you feel satiated. Protein, compared to carbs and fat, has been linked to the highest general feeling of satiety after eating. When it comes to weight loss, feeling full for longer after eating will help us feel more content and helps to reduce snacking between meals. Now that we know how essential protein is for our daily health, what's the simplest way to get protein in our diet every day? I love the simplicity and ease of getting protein in the easiest digestible form of a protein shake. The Mayo Clinic recommends that if you want to use a protein supplement, here's what to look for. About 200 or fewer calories per serving, 2 grams or less of saturated fats, no trans fat or partially hydrogenated oils, and 5 grams of sugar or less. Your protein intake should accompany fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. I choose to start off each day with a doTERRA protein shake for breakfast. At only around 150 calories, doTERRA protein shakes are ideal for blending into a healthy breakfast smoothie or shake. The flavors are so yummy and creamy on their own, but they're neutral enough to add fruits and vegetables, essential oils, or any other healthy bonuses you'd like to add in. doTERRA proteins were specifically formulated to supplement areas where the modern diet falls short when providing fuel for our body. Protein is necessary to provide the body with energy and stamina to perform functions like building cells and support a healthy immune system response. Reducing sugar consumption is also an important aspect of improving our diet and overall health. I love that doTERRA's protein is sugar-free, and it's a great tool to use in keto or other high-protein, low-carb diets. Some of the reasons I choose doTERRA protein is doTERRA whey protein provides 21 grams of premium protein blend from pasture-fed cows to help you reach the recommended amount of protein and keep your body functionally at your highest capacity. Whey is one of the most nutritionally complete proteins and easy to digest without gas or bloating. As an added bonus, each serving also contains 7 grams of fiber to help manage appetite and assist your digestive health. What you won't find is GMOs, gluten, soy, and RBST hormone. doTERRA protein offers the quality ingredients you expect to support a healthy lifestyle. doTERRA protein is naturally sweetened with monk fruit and stevia, and is available in chocolate and vanilla flavors. Look for my video where I share some of my favorite smoothie recipes. Where you get your protein from matters, so choose a source that you can trust. I'm thankful doTERRA works hard to set the bar high when it comes to pure and natural sourcing. I want the healthiest for me and my family, and my guess is that you do too. Plan to get enough protein in your diet for you and your family every day. If you found this information helpful, be sure to click on the subscribe button to be notified when my next video is available. When you have so many choices, caring for yourself and your family's health needs, I hope that you choose the natural way.